guys, and welcome back to another video. And today with the SUR-RON Storm B, which is a real electrical bike for dirt roads, which is awesome. Just so that you have an idea, this is me. Actually not, it's not me, I am this one. So regardless if you are an experienced user or a beginner, the Storm B will give us room to start and then to build up and have more fun and more fun. It has a lot of features, and the 4 different modes is one of the things that will help us to achieve that confidence and to improve our skills on this kind of bike. Power together. To start the bike, we just need to turn the key, then we will see all the options right over here, and we need to press one of the brakes. The back brake and front brake doesn't matter, and it will show the light ready. So at this moment it's ready to go, and we are at economic mode, which is the lowest, as I was saying, level number 1. So what happens is that if I go full throttle, it will not deliver more than this. This is no instantaneous power, I would say. I would say that it goes really smoothly, so it will give us a lot of room for mistakes. Any beginner, anyone that has never ride a bike, it will be more than fine on this mode. Now the next mode is the rainy mode, and on this mode we will have a progressive, as I will try to show you, progressive power. So I will handle, and there we go, full, and it will give me full power over time. So it will start slowly and then gradually will give me that full power, but it's something that if we have a wet floor or something like that, it will give us availability to not to slip. So great. Now sports mode, this is a completely different beast because it will give me everything at every time, instantaneous power. So if I press it, as you can see, it will give me instantaneous power at every single moment. 10 kilowatts of power, which is a lot. And on this sports mode we have available the turbo, which will give us during 15 seconds when we press the button of the double of the power, which is 22.5 kilowatts of power, which is huge. And if you ask me, have you tested it, Robert? No, honestly, I'm scared. This is more than enough for me. My colleague Daniel was the one that it tested out, and he said, wow, what a punch that it gives. And this is the beauty of it. We don't have shifts to do, so the power is always there. It takes about 3.6 seconds to reach from 0 to 80 kilometers per hour with 520 Newton meters of binary, which is something, if you compare with other machines, you'll have an idea. This is a beast. So first impressions, really cool bike to ride. I was just on this street right over here, and in a really quick manner I was getting 90 kilometers per hour in a very fast movement, and just a really fun bike to ride. And there's someone right over there talking, but never mind. It's a light bike, really easy to maneuver, and I was expecting to have some kind of fun, but I was not expecting so much fun. The battery has 4.3 kilowatt hour. For those of you that follow the channel in terms of photovoltaic system and solar systems, you know more or less what it represents. In this particular case, it will give us more or less 100 kilometers of autonomy. And now it's charging, and as you can see, it has 81%, and we are consuming 1.3 kilowatts. And here's the connector and the transformer. But the best part is that I'm charging with solar PV, so 0 cents. Now, on my testings, I would say that if you are on asphalt, then with a slower speed you will get that. 72% battery, and it is 540. Maybe full throttle and without any issues we could get about 90 kilometers of autonomy. I still haven't finished the test based on the experience that I've had for the past few days. 4 hours to charge at 1.3 kilowatts, which we did measure, and we did charge it with solar, so it was 0 cents. If not, here in Portugal, if you don't have a solar system, you will spend more or less at this moment to charge the battery for 100 kilometers, roughly €1. Now, it also has ABS, and yes, for those of you ABS on a enduro bike, yes, we can activate, deactivate and select the levels. It also has ASR for traction control, and it can also be changed. And besides that, has a regenerative motor, which means that when we pull down the throttle, which will brake with the electrical engine and regenerate the battery, giving us more autonomy. And on the aesthetics, on the looks of the bike and build quality, awesome. I do believe that SUR-RON made a huge effort right over here to deliver a premium bike, and I believe that's what they are giving. It's not just my opinion, but also Daniel's and a few friends that I have on the motorcycle world that say, hey, this bike is actually a serious bike and well built. The frame, everything that it has, the components, wheels, the handles, the suspensions, everything better than some of the bikes that we see on a market of renowned brands. So this is something really serious. Aesthetic wise, I would change only one thing, because everything else looks awesome, with the exception of the mirrors and also where we put the back plates. Everything else, in my opinion, just really well accomplished. And in conclusion, I do believe that it is a really fun bike to drive, either if we are taking it to work on a daily basis and we want to spend less gas and have a bike available for the weekend to have fun. I believe this is a great choice on the market. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.